Okay, some of you may have been wondering, hey Ted, what about the gas tank? Did you ever get it cleaned out? Well, it's a slow process, and I've taken it easy on the acid to not eat up my gas tank, but it's getting cleaner. Right now, the baffle is about right here, and it's hard to get the baffles in this one up here. And looking in the gas tank hole here, the filler hole, I could see the baffles are still rusty, and I'm still getting trash out. So I just took it outside, rinsed it with a water hose, and I'm still getting grit and rust and stuff. But the majority of the tank now is bare metal. So I put 4.5 gallons of citric acid solution and put it in to where I can look inside and it's about right here, because I could see the drain connection, and the baffles are right below it. So 4.5 gallons, I'm gonna let it sit at this end, flip it upside down, 4.5 gallons to get this other baffle in this end of the tank. I've been doing it upside down, so the top is actually looking pretty good. There's a little spot like right here that maybe I've been missing, or it was just very bad. So I'm gonna try to get, that should be, when I flip it upside down, it'll get it. So it's slowly cleaning it up. I think this is, what is this? I think I started early February, March, April. It's about 3 months in of gasoline first, then lacquer thinner to get the caramelized that was just hardened to the bottom, and rinsing it out, and then pressure washing it, and a little dishwashing detergent just to get the oily residue out. And then I went into the acid mixtures and started at first with 1/2 cup per gallon, which is sort of a weak solution. Did a little bit, but really at that 1 cup per gallon level, that's when it really starts to make notice. You put something in it for 24 hours and you can tell the difference. So it's slowly eating away at the rust, and so I think that's my solution. So I got enough acid solution in there to get to that baffle. Most of the sides of it I've rotated, and you can see I've kind of got this little stand set up to where it'll hold it in different positions. And now I'm trying to get the I'm nearing the end with the trying to get these baffles. There's another one up here, trying to get it in there, and then I'm gonna try to take a look at inside the tank and get behind those baffles to see what it looks like down at this end and this end. But hopefully, rotating it has gotten it done.